So you're trying to figure out how to read a measuring tape in 1/8, 1/16th of an inch, and cm. Well, in this video, I'm going to share step by step exactly how to do that. Also, I'm going to show you how to convert from cm to inch and inch to cm. Hello everyone, my name is Blessing. Let's jump straight into the tutorial. So I drew the measuring tape on a paper for a clearer view. First, let's start with 1/8 of an inch. Step 1. We need to know the number of lines. For example, between 0 and 1. Grab your tape and let's count together. Don't start from 0. Start from the next line. We count. So it's 8 in total. In order to know the accurate value for each line, that takes us to step number 2. Step 2. Divide each line by the total. I have written them divided by 8 already. 1 divided by 8, 2 divided by 8, 3 divided by 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8, which is 1. If you want to divide by head, I've also written the ones that are divisible. 1/8 is not divisible. 2/8 is divisible, so I've got 1/4. 4/8 is divisible. I've got 1/2. 6/8 is divisible. I've got 3/4. And 8/8, which is same as 1. These are the final results using my calculator. So the first one is 0.125. The next is 0.25. The third line 0.375. The fourth 0.5. The fifth line 0.25. Number 6 0.75. The seventh 0.875. and the eighth, which is 1 inch. Now that you've known the lines, where is 0.40? Let me know in the comment section. These numbers are the same between 2, 3, 4, and other numbers. For example, the first line after 2 is 2.125. The only number that increases is the whole number, like 1, 2, 3. We move to the 1/16th. Step 1. Know the number of lines. I have written them down already. Let's count together. They are 16 in total. Step 2. Divide each number by the total. I have written them down already. This line is 16/16. If you're dividing by head, I've also written down the divisible ones. These are my final results. You can pause and write them down. Let's proceed to centimeter. Step 1. We need to know the number of lines. Let's count. Everything is 10. Step 2. Divide each number by total. I have written them down already. 1 over 10, 2 divided by 10, 3, 4. This line is the same as 10 over 10. I have also written down the divisible ones. The final results are these. Alright, remember that all the steps were the same, and this applies to other metric systems. Onto the conversion. I'm going to show you in 2 steps. Step 1. Identify the number on the tape. Example, 3 inches, and then turn over to the other side of the tape. Step 2. This involves some calculation. Number 1. From cm to inch, your value divided by 2.54 gives you a new value in inch. Example, 1 cm divided by 2.54 gives 0.394 inch. Next is inch to cm. Multiply your value by 2.54. Example, 3 inches to cm. Multiply 3 by 2.54. That gives 7.62 in cm. Hopefully you've got some value from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. See you in my next video.